How to add polls on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add polls on your TikTok posts. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, open up the TikTok app on your phone. Next, on the home screen, press the plus button in the bottom center of the screen. Once here, start to record your video. Once you're done, tap on the tick button in the bottom right hand corner. On this next screen, tap on stickers on the top right hand corner. As you can see on the left, there's an option for a poll. So tap on that option. On this next screen, it asks you to type in a question. So type in your question. Then you can type in your answers. You can leave it as yes or no, or you can put other options if you would like. Next, hit done. You can then edit and post your TikTok video in the usual way. And that's all it takes to add a poll on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.